Hello students, welcome back to our channel. This is the part 2 of chapter number 7. This is the part 2 of chapter number 7, mathematics. Okay, triangles. So in part 1 we have discussed about 7.1. We have discussed about 7.1. Now let's see 7.2. In 7.2 figure is not given, so we have to make the figure by the according to the question. So you can see at the corner I have I have already drawn the figure, so you can draw it from there. We have to prove OB is equal to OC. In the figure you can notice that angle B and angle C are cutted by OB and OC, so we can write like this: angle B is okay. Let's write like this: angle OBC is equal to half of angle B, and angle OCB is equal to half of angle C. Okay, half of angle C. We have to prove OB and OC are equal. So how will we prove? So in question that is given that AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That is given. Now second thing, OBC and OCB both are equal. OBC and OCB equal. Theorem 7.3. Okay, now we have written that half of angle B and half of angle C, and we have said that OBC and OCB both are equal. So half of angle B, half of angle C will be equal. Half of angle B is equal to half of angle C. Okay, from angle OBC is equal to angle OCB, by CPCT BO is equal to CO. Theorem 7.2. In theorem 7.2 that is given that if the sides are equal, if the angle is equal. Now let's take an example that if the angle is equal, so the side will be equal. So here this angle and this angle both are equal, so this side will be also equal. Okay, so here we have proved our first portion. Now let's move on the second portion. You can see this first portion. Okay, we got BO is equal to CO. So we have to prove that AO bisect angle A. That means this line bisect angle A. So we can say that OBA is equal to OCA. That means this angle. I am shading that part. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay, we can say that angle ABO or OBA is equal to angle ACO. Okay, because by that we know that half angle B is equal to half angle C. This is the half angle B, this is the half angle C. So this is also the half angle B, this is also the half angle C. So we got this is proved example, and this is also the proved. Okay, and now solve it. They have said we have to prove that this angle is equal to this angle. So how will we prove? First of all, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. We have proved that OA is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. This is given, and so this is proved. We have proved over here. You can see that we have proved over here. So that is proved, and we can write this AOB is equal to ACO. We can write angle half angle B half angle C, but here we have used that term. So if we will use that term, it will be repeated and our answer will be wrong. So what we will do? Angle ABO is equal to angles ACO. That is given, students, that is given as well as proved. Given. Okay. So here we have proved by CPCT congruent parts of congruent triangle. Angle A is bisected by AO. Here is our answer, students. Here is our answer of first part of first question. Here is the answer of first question. You can check the question answer. Let's check it in the back page. If our answer is right, so we are right. Okay. Okay, there is not given the answer. Just they have said they are equal. They are equal. Let's check first of all. Students, here we have not written one thing. By SAS congruency. Okay, SAS congruency. So here is our answer. So you can copy it. Now second number is so easy, students. Second number is so easy. Second number you can do by yourself. So that is in homework. Now let's move forward on question number 3. Students, I remember you to I give advice to you that to remember all the theorems. Now let's take an example of theorem 7.2. Angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal. That means if the angle is equal, so the side will equal. As we have said seen that if this angle is equal, so this side is also equal. Now in 7.3, 7.1 students is little bit hard. We will do in another video. If we will do this video, you will be confused. Now let's see theorem 7.3. The sides opposite to equal of triangle are equal. That means the side opposite to equals angle. That means this side opposite this side is equal to this opposite angle. This opposite angle. This is conserved form of theorem 7.2. Now let's see theorem 7.4. If three sides of triangle are equal, three sides of triangles are equal to the three sides of another triangle, there will be SSS congruency. We know that side. If the three sides of one triangle is equal to the three sides of another triangle, it is known as triple S congruency. Now let's see theorem 7.5. If right triangle, the hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another triangle, then it is two right angles are congruent. RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. That what it was saying, if two right triangles are equal, if their hypotenuse and one side is equal, then they are RHS congruency. Okay, right angle hypotenuse rule. Okay, we have done our theorem 7.2, 3 and 4. Theorem 7.2, 3 and 4. Okay, students. So let's quickly recapitulate. Theorem 2 said that if angle is equal, so the side will be equal. Then the side opposite to the equal angles. Then it was saying the side is opposite to the angle. Both angles will be equal. That means this and this side equal. So this and this angle will be equal. This is the conserved angle of theorem 7.2. Now theorem 7.1. If three sides are equal to the another triangle, it will be congruent. Now third, two right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, two right angle triangle, that means this is right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, this called hypotenuse. This hypotenuse side, this hypotenuse side is equal to this hypotenuse side, and one side is equal to one side. If in the two right angles hypotenuse and one side are equal, then it will be used by right angle hypotenuse side. Yes students, right angle hypotenuse side. I hope that there will be no confusion in theorem 7.2, 7.3, 7.4. I am saying one of another time that 7.1 is little bit hard. If you will do in this video, you will be I am definitely you will be confused. Okay, so we will do that in another video. So at the end of this video, I will give you some IMP questions. Okay, I will going to give you some IMP questions to you of this chapter. First of all, we will complete our 7.2, then 7.3. After this, I will give you the IMP questions of 7.1, 2 and 3. That questions are asked in board as well as in my term 1 and term 2 exams. So, let's move forward with question number 3, because question number 2 is in homework. Students, we have question number 3 of section 7.2. Now, let's see. They have said we have to find BE is equal to CF. We have to find that these altitudes of these triangles are equal. So how will we find? First of all, you can able to see that this angle A is common. This angle A is common, so you can write like this: angle A is equal to angle A common. Now you can write, they have given that F is equal to E. F is equal to E. So angle F is equal to angle E, that is given, and AB AC given, by AAS. By CPCT, BE is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. So this is how we will prove our question 3. This is how we have proved our question 3. So let's move further with question number 4. So guys, we are on question number 4. Let's start with question number 4. Question number 4 and question number 3 are similar. So we have to not do the extra efforts. You have to just notice the question. We have to prove that triangle ABC, ABE. That means this triangle we have to prove by this triangle. Okay, so forgot this one. We can say like that. Angle A is common over here also. So angle A is equal to angle A common. Sorry students. Now they have given that angle F is equal to angle E. Angle E. So we can say that angle F is equal to angle E. That is given. Now we can write like that. We have to prove AB is equal to AC. So altitudes are equal. BE is equal to CF. Okay, students. Angle is equal to common. Now angle F is equal to angle E. This angle is equal to this angle. Both are given. Now BC is equal to CF. BE is equal to CF. The altitudes are equal. So by angle side triangle ABE congruent to triangle CFA. Okay, then by CPCT, this is question point 2. By CPCT of this, I'm not writing angle A, of CPCT of triangle is equal to triangle AB is equal to AC. We have proved both the parts. Okay, now let's move forward on question number 6. So question number 5 is in homework. Question number 5 is very easy. You have to do practice of that question, so you can understand how the questions of this chapter will be solved and how we can score. Okay, so that is in homework. You have to do the homework. Now let's move forward on question number 6. Students, we are on question number 6. So we have to prove that this angle is 90 degree. We have to prove that. They are not given. We have to prove that. We have given that this side is equal to this side, this side is equal to this side. So A, B, C and D. Okay. So AB in triangle ABD, AB is equal to AD. So we can write like this: angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And in triangle ACD, AD is equal to AC. So we can write like that also: angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is equation 2, this is equation 1. From 1 and 2, okay, wait for 2 minutes, students. Okay, from 1 and 2 we can write like that also: angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 2 plus angle, okay, why I have written 2 times, angle 3, students, angle 3, angle 2 is equal to plus angle 3. So when we will do the plus, we will start from here. We will get angle 1 plus angle 4 is equal to angle, okay, this whole angle is called 5. This whole angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 5. So we will get angle 5. So angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Okay, is equal to 180. So angle, as we said that this we prove that we will plus, we will get 90. So 180. Okay, we not get the 90, 180. When we will plus angle 1 plus 2, when we will plus this angle and this angle, we will got this whole triangle. So this is also 90. So we can say that angle 5 plus 5 is equal to 180. So why I have written 2, 5? Because we have proved 3 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to this whole angle, and this is we have denoted by angle 5. When we plus angle 4 plus angle 1, when we plus this both angle, we will get this whole triangle. So we will get also this. We have already gotten 1 and 4. We will get angle 5. So that's why I have written 2 angle 5. So 180 upon 2 angle 5 is equal to 90. We have proved that angle 5 is equal to 90. Here is this is the solution of the question number 6. Now let's move forward to question number 7. Question number 7 and 8 are too easy. They are too easy. They are based on the concept of edges and the sides of the triangle. So I am thinking that to 8 in the homework, and let's do 7th one. Students, we are on question number 7 of 7.2. Let's do it. Okay, they have said angle 1 is equal to 90 degree, and they have also said that angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. So we have to find angle B and angle C. So we can write like that: angle A plus angle, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Now, as we know, angle A is equal to 90, so it directly minus angle B plus angle C, 90. And we have written angle B is equal to angle C, so we can write like that: angle B plus angle B, because they are equal. So 90 upon 2, because this angle B plus angle B is equal to 2 angle B. So angle B, we will get 45. So angle B is equal to 45, then angle C is equal to also 45. Now we have also completed. You can see the answer also. Check the answer by yourself. We have completed our question 7, and question number 8 is easy. I am just giving the hint. In question number 8, they have said we have to do, first of all, in question number 8, they have said we have to show that three edges of the triangle are 60. So how will we find? First of all, I am telling you have to do the homework. We know that the sum of three angles of the triangle is 180. So angle x, angle x, angle x plus is equal, angle x plus angle x plus angle x is equal to 180, because the sum of three angles are 180. Then you will take down the 3 at the bottom. We will get a is equal to 60, b is equal to 60, and c is equal to 60. Sorry students, we know that the sum of the three angles of a triangle are 180. Okay, so I hope that you have not any type of doubt in exercise 7.2. We have done 7.1. If you have doubt in that also, you can comment down below. And if you have any doubt in 7.2, you can comment down below. I will explain it once again. Okay, so there are three questions in homework: 2, 5 and 8. Okay, I have done the 5 hard questions. Now let's move forward with exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3, and there is a little bit hard, and students, don't miss the video, because in the end of this video I am going to give some IMP and important questions and PYQ questions of these chapters that will be definitely asked in your exam. So let's move forward with exercise 7.3. Students, now let's continue the exercise 7.3, question number 1, part 1. In part 1, we have to congruent the ABD and ACD. ABD and ACD. We have to congruent this and this. So how will we congruent? First of all, we can AB is equal to AC. They are given equal. They are given as equal. Okay. Now AD is common. AD is common. Now this BD and DC, BD and CD are also given. So by SSS, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, so we have done our part 1. Now let's do part 2. Portion 2. What is given? We have to congruent APB and A. We have to congruent this triangle to this triangle. So how will congruent? Okay, let's do over here. Part 2. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, AP is equal to AC. Now we can say that AP common. AP common. Now you can see over here that this angle is equal to this angle. Angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. So by SAS, triangle equal to triangle, and by CPCT BP is equal to CP. Okay, here we have done with our part 2. Here we have done with our part 2. Now let's quickly see our part 3. You can pause the screen and write the answer. Now let's see the part 3. Let's see the part 3. What is there in part 3? Part 3 is also easy. We have to prove that. Wait for a minute. It is visible or not? Okay, sure, that is visible. Now in part 3 they have said we have to prove that AP bisect angle A as well as angle A as well as angle D. So first of all we have to find the DBP and triangle DCP. I can say that DB is equal to DC, DP common, and we have proved that BP is equal to CP. BP is equal to CP. So by SSS triangle DBP congruent to triangle DCP. Now we as we have proved in part 2 that triangle ABP is equal to triangle ACP congruent to triangle ACP. So from this, visible or not, I am confused. Let's wait for 2 minutes. It is visible or not? Okay, it is visible. So ABP and ACP, we can say that this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, so angle BAP is equal to angle CAP. Okay, we got from ABP congruent to ACP. Now let's write that triangle DBP congruent to triangle DCP, angle BDP is equal to CDP. Angle BDP is equal to angle DB. No, not B. CDP. Okay. From these two equations, we find out that angle AP is equal AP bisect angle D as well as angle A. Now let's move forward with question number 4. Here we have done question 1 and 2. Now let's move forward with question 4. Students, now let's do part 4. In part 4 we have to prove that AP is perpendicular bisector of BC. So we know that ABP congruent to ACP, we get BP is equal to CP, and also we get angle ABP is equal to angle APC. So with APB plus angle APC is equal to 180 because it is a linear pair. So 180, we can write APB plus APB because here we have written that APB is equal to ACP. 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2 both are 5. Okay, 180 upon 2 because APB plus APB 2 APB, but we have taken 2, so we will remove that. So APB is equal to 90 degree. So by CPCT we know that AP is the bisector of angle BC, not angle BC, side BC. Yes, students, side BC. Now let's move forward. Question number 2 is very easy, students. If you can solve this question by yourself, you can do the question number 2. So question number 2 is over. Let's do question number 3. Hello students. Now let's do a part C. Part C of Question C of part 1. They have said, let's draw a diagram. I have not drawn it. Okay, sorry students, my drawing is little bit bad, not good. So we have to prove ABM. ABM, we have to prove this triangle to PQN, to this triangle. So we can write like this: AM is equal to PN, BM is equal to QN, and angle ABM is equal to, not angle ABM, they have given AB is equal to PQ. So by SSS congruency, triangle ABM congruent to, this is the sign of congruent, PQL. So here is the solution of our part 1. Now let's see, you can take a screenshot and write it. Okay, let's do part 2. In part 2 we have to prove that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, PQ is equal to AB. Now PN is equal to AN, angle A is equal to angle P. So by SAS, by SAS, triangle ABC is equal to congruent to triangle PQR. So students, here we have done with question number 3. Here we have done question number 3, and question number 4, 5 are is in homework. Students, I tell you once again that you have to do homework as well as practice by yourself. I am just giving you the food, but you have to eat it by yourself, by with your hand, and put up the food and put in your mouth, and you have to chew and then you have to swallow. So I am just giving the formats and examples. You have to do the practice of the sum by yourself and the do the homework. Okay, I recommend you to take the questions, extra question from Google not Google, and do the homework what I am giving. So as I have said that I will give IMP and PYQ question of this chapter. So let's move on that portion. I am giving you the PYQ as well as the important question. So let's do it. Now students, as I have told and I have promised you that I will give you the IMP questions and they will be asked in your term 1 or term 2 or final exam. I will give you the definite surety that question exercise 7.1, question number 8 as well as question number 6, both are very important. So do lot of practice. Do this some 20 to 30 times practice in a notebook, so you will be get master in this question. This question must be asked in exam. From this 5, two questions will be asked from this 5. So you have to do the 5 questions like a Bruce Lee. A Bruce Lee do practice of 10,000 punch per day. You have to do not 10,000, but you have to do 20 times per day of these 5 questions for this chapter only for this chapter. Okay. So for exercise 7.1, you have to do question 8 as well as question 6. From exercise 7.2, you have to do question 1 as well as question 6 because both are important. And question 3, question 1 is most important. Okay, there is only one question number 7.3. So you can take a screenshot and underline or mark that answer. So here I have give the IMP questions also. So I hope that you have liked the video. If you like, then like, share and subscribe this channel, and please support us. Thank you for watching. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.